Hi children, welcome back. Today we are starting with a new chapter. Chapter's name is multiples. You studied this last year, isn't it? You learned how to find multiples, then you learned how to find the common multiples. Okay, so we are doing with that. Before that, let me see what is multiple. What are multiples, children? A multiple of a whole number. How do you find multiple? A multiple of a whole number is the product of the number. Which number you have given? Suppose I ask you, write the multiples of 5. How will you find out the multiples of 5? Just multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is what they are telling. Product of the number, whichever number they have given you, and any counting number. Any counting number means from 1 to, it goes on. From 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes on. So that is how you are getting multiples. Okay. So what is multiple? Multiple of a whole number is the product of that particular number and any counting number. That is how we are getting multiples. It's very easy to find out multiples, not like factors. Very easy to find out multiples. You just need to multiply with any number to get a multiple. Now, there are some properties of multiples. A number is a multiple of itself. Yes, you take the number 5. 5 into 1 is 5 itself. So, 5 is a multiple of 5 itself. That is what they are telling. A number is a multiple of itself. Then, every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, every number you will multiply by 1, isn't it? Every number is a multiple of 1. Then, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. Every multiple of a number, you take the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. So, what are the multiples? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. These are the multiples of 5. What are you seeing in that? All the multiples are greater than 5, isn't it? It is greater than 5 and it is also equal to 5. So, that is what they are telling. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. It is greater than or equal to the number itself. What was in the case of factors, children? What was that in the case of factors? All the factors of a number are less than that number or equal to that number, isn't it? But when it comes to multiple, all the multiples of a number are greater than that number or equal to that number. Okay. Then, there is no end for multiples. You can get as many multiples as you want because you are multiplying with any number to get multiple. But in the case of factors, it was finite. Only a limited factors you had for a particular number, isn't it? But when you come to multiple, every number is having infinite number of multiples. There is no end for multiples that you can get. There is no end. You multiply with any number, you will get the multiples. Okay. So, there is no end in finding the multiples. Okay. So, moving to a question. First question. Find the common multiple. Find the first 5 common multiple. First 5 common multiples for the following. So, you are going to find the first 5 common multiples because you will get infinite number of common multiples. First of all, you will get infinite number of multiples. If you are getting infinite number of multiples, you will also get infinite number of common multiples also. So, we are going to find only first 5 common multiples. First question in that, 5, 10. Very easy to write the multiples of 5 and 10, isn't it? Write down. What are the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 are, come on children, tell. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay. For the timing, I am writing only till 10. Okay. If I need, I will extend. Next, multiples of 10. Which are the multiples of 10? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. I am stopping it for the time being. They have asked me first 5 common multiples. Here I have the first 5 common multiples. First one, 10 is the first one. Then second common multiple. Then third common multiple. Then the fourth common multiple. And the fifth one. I need the first 5, not any 5. My question is first 5. So, what are the common multiples? Common multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, if I ask you any 5, you can write whichever you want. But if I ask you first 5, you have to write the first 5. Understood, children? So, this is how we are finding out common multiples. You have learned this last year, isn't it? Question B. 6 and 9. So, first you will write multiples of 6. Which are the multiples of 6? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Children, you have to tell with me, huh? 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. I'll stop it for the timing. If I need, I will extend. Okay, children? Now, multiples of 9. Starting from 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Okay. So, we will find out the common multiples now. I need first 5. Which is the first one, children? Yes, you can see 18 is the first one. Then, which is the next one, children? You can see 36 is the next one. Then, which is the next one? 54 is the next one. Okay. So, I need 2 more. So, what will I do now, children? I will extend the table of 6 now. I have written till 6 tens are 60, isn't it? Now, what is 6 11s are? 66. 6 12s are 72. Okay. Now, further, if you don't know the table, you just count 6, add 6 and write down. 72 plus 6, you will get 78. Then, 78 plus 6, what you will get? Yes, children, what you will get? 84. 84 plus 6, what you will get? 90. Okay, you can add 6 if you don't know the table. Now, we will find out whether you are getting 2 more. Yes, you are getting another one, 72. Then you are getting another one, 90. So, you got the first 5 common multiples. So, which are the first 5 common multiples? Common multiples are 18, 36, 54, 72 and 90. Okay, understood, children? So, in case if you have to extend, you will extend. Okay. One more question. 3, 2 and 4. I am taking 3 numbers. Okay, I am taking 3 numbers. Now, tell me multiples of 3. See, children, in this question we are going to find out only 3 common multiples. We can find out 5, but what happens is you will have to write lots of multiples and only you will get 5 common multiples. Okay. So we will stop at 3. Once we get 3 common multiples, we will stop the answer. Okay. So multiples of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. Sorry, we have missed 9. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 30. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. We have missed one here, and then 3 10s are 30. Okay, so the timing we are writing till there. Now, multiples of 2. Which are the multiples of 2? Very easy. 2 twos are 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay. So I have written till that. Then, which are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. I'll stop for the time being. So first we'll find out whether we are getting 3 common multiples. In this question you are finding only 3, okay children? First one, for all the 3 numbers, which is a common multiple? Which is the first one children? You can see 12 is the first common multiple. You can see 6 is common for 3 and 2, but 6 is not coming in 4's table, so you cannot take 6. It should be common for all the 3 numbers. So the first common multiple is 12. Then, which is the next common multiple? You can see it is 24. So 24 is the next common multiple. Now understood why I extended 2's table? It's because of this. Then, next after 24, we can't see anything common. So we'll have to extend our numbers. Multiples of 3 have stopped at 10. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. I think that will be enough. Now coming to 2's table, 32, 34, 36. See, I have got the third multiple now. 36 over here, 36 over here, 36 over here. So which are my common multiples now? I found out only 3 common. If you want, you can find out 5 common multiples. Common multiples are 12, 24 and 36. Children, if you want, you can find out 5 common multiples. Okay, so this is how you find out common multiples. Now I'll tell you another easier method also to find common multiples. See in all the questions, see what was the first common multiple that you got in the first question? It was 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. What do you recognize from that? It is 10's table. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. So once you get the first number, it's very easy to find out the common multiples. See the next question children. It was 6 and 9. What was the first common multiple you got? 18. Next is 36, 54, 72, 90. This is 18's table. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90. You take the next question, what you did now. See, 12, 24, 36. This is 12's table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. Understood? So it is very easy to find out common multiples if you get the first common multiple. It is all multiples of that. Okay children? So I want you to do a question for homework. Question D, 10 and 20. Find out the common multiple, first 5 common multiples of 10 and 20. Okay children? Thank you.